I'm Leanne Rains Benedetto with HealthyDiabetic.org, and today I'm making sweet potato fries from the ADA's DiabetesFoodHub.org. I'm preheating my oven to 400 degrees. Now I'm making a savory version, not so sweet. In a bowl, I'm mixing 2 tablespoons fresh rosemary, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, and 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then I'm whisking. To cut the fries, first you cut the side off, then turn it over and slice the potato into planks. Then you slice those planks into sticks. All right, the sticks go into the mixture now. And then you mix them up in the bowl. Spray a baking sheet. And then you lay the fries out. And make sure you leave space in between. That ensures that they come out crunchy. In they go for 35 minutes. And then out they come. All right, I'm excited to give these a try, so here we go. Ready? Delicious. And only about 28 carbs for 12 fries. Head to DiabetesFoodHub.org for more great recipes and HealthyDiabetic.org for the support you need to succeed.